This is going to be today's video review for Thursday, October the 29th, 2015 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today we're going to look at the S&P Futures December contract. We did a webinar last night. I'm going to post the link here below in YouTube if anybody wants to watch that. We're going to be doing another one next Wednesday. If you'd like to register for that, I'll post the link as well. We are having a price special on right now for our courses for 1 week till next Wednesday to commemorate the Stocks and Commodities featured article in the November issue of Stocks and Commodities Magazine. Charlie hadn't had any of his articles posted since '78 when he sent his book in to 1978. Over 35 years since he's had anything to do with his personal work with Stocks and Commodities Magazine, so we wanted to offer a special price for traders. So if you're just joining us, what we do is we draw lines to keep our mind centered and relaxed as to what we're doing with visual energy analysis. So when the white dotted line hooks up, we draw a value of support and we wait for price to retrace to it. And when it hooks down, we draw a crest of resistance and we wait for price to return to it. So you can see the support broke, flushed lower, return back to it as resistance here. We've got our white dotted line. You'll notice our blue dots. If you're just joining us, our blue dots, when they're at or below the solid white midline, are showing weakness. So when we're up into this area here with strong energy resistance, our trader is just salivating looking at taking that kind of a short because his focus chart, this left chart, is showing very, very weak energy coming down into it. So you can see price on the trade chart, strong energy pushing up into it, and does a complete V reversal out of this higher chart's upper energy band. This is also in pink here. This dotted rectangle is the left chart's higher upper energy band. And this pink upper energy band is this purple. This is the left chart's upper energy band drawn here on the right chart. So this is a confluence of energy of resistance. Plus we've got our white dotted line plotted up here that's confluent with this support turning into resistance. So this is really a great place to be taking a V reversal because it's got all the three dimensions of our three charts. You can learn more about that in the webinar that we've just recorded. But essentially price goes down and the upper yellow stays down through this entire process, and we come down into our target, and our target is this lower energy band right here on the higher chart. So it's a nice little profit. You can see I've drawn it here on the right chart. So our trader has an opportunity to get long again right up through here as we've come down into this support area. You notice if somebody got in early here, you're directly into the midline here. If somebody wanted to be more conservative, wait for price to pop up, we've got another valley of support that's confluent with the previous valley right here, and our trader could get long, which would be, right at this point here, our brick momentum, showing the lower yellow is up, and the lower yellow just stayed up all the way up to its target. Now its target would be the upper energy band, which is up here at about 77.5, 77.75, that kind of thing. Then as price pulls back down, our trader has another opportunity to get long. We've got resistance over here, support over here. We've got our white dotted midline, lower energy band. This is just a very, very strong place for the market, bulletproof for our VEA trader to get long with. And the lower energy band stays up and price rallies up higher into the top. So if you have any questions, please send those over to jb@drummondenergybands.com, and thank you very much for your interest.